So, hello everyone. I welcome you in this debate competition. This is our fourth debate of SS English Academy. The topic is Can Money Buy Happiness? So, this team is going to talk about yes, money can buy happiness, right? And this team is going to talk about no, money can't buy happiness. So, let me tell you some of the rules of the debate. The first rule is one participant can speak maximum 30 to 40 seconds. After that you have to give other chance to speak. And second rule is one participant can speak two times. After in third time you have to give mic to someone else. So let's start today's debate competition without any delay. I want team B to start with yes, money can buy happiness.
Hello everyone, my name is On Faruqi and money can't buy happiness. Let's take example of USA who is highest income and highest position and power based country who runs lots of countries in happiness index who they are the first in happiness index, not like countries like Bangladesh, Pakistan, they are poor. So it also tell us that happiness without money you cannot buy happiness. This is not proper example.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is Ansari Samreen. I favor money can't happiness. Yes, I'm giving us some example. Some of people they are really millionaires and billionaires. They have no happy life because of some personal issue. I have some example. First one, Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, and Bill Gates. Yes, they are very richest person in the world, but they are not they have not good relationship in their life. So I really think that ki money can't buy happiness. Thank you.
The real happiness is our family, not only money.
I agree with you, Kulsum. But without money, you can't take any happiness. Like if you want to travel anywhere, did you go without money?
If you want to travel, so you can travel alone.
Whether travel alone or with family, you need money and you need lots of money. And also in this modern world, to run a family you need money to buy a house, to pay a rent, to buy essentials for your home like food, shelter, and all these kind of things. So money is important everywhere, any country, any place.
You can buy home. You can buy a house, not a home.
Let's talk about farmers in Maharashtra. There are lots of farmers who don't have money, so they suicide. So why they suicide? Because they have in your opinion they don't have money. They should be happy. They should be. But why they are suiciding in such mass numbers?
In India, so many people is rich in India, but the people depressed, and that time they just they suicide. Means one example, the Sushant Singh Rajput. He is the very richest person in India. Why he suicide?
I talk about farmers, not actors. I talk about farmers. Why they are suiciding? They don't have money to spend.
But Sushant Singh Rajput have lots of money. But why
He don't have work to do. He don't have work to do. So
he don't have happiness. That's why reason he committed suicide. Okay.
Oh, how?
This is your thinking.
How do you know he don't have he is not happy? How do you know? Who tell you he is not happy?
Google.
Money is a source which we can use to be happy. like every student in our classes have her dream to be study in abroad or in mainstream college, reputed college, to study in that college. So if you don't have money, how we can and take admission on that college and study and succeed in our life? Money is a source.
How can
Like you told that if you want to go in abroad for education, there are a lot of universities and college here. We can spend little much money on our own university and we can take the education same which I can get from here or there. It's upon us.
But need money, na?
And for
I
the
am
money,
having a passion. I am having a passion of teaching, to learn English and learn new skill. But without money, anyone give me the free
there
of
are
cost.
many free channels from that, from
Anywhere
free application from that you
is
can.
anyone is here who is taking the education free of cost?
Many platforms are there, many YouTube channels like
.coms
Samsung's YouTube
and
channels.
we want net, we want internet. Without money we can't buy Wi-Fi, we can't buy internet, we can't recharge our phones.
Sam sir, तो Sam sir not I think Sam sir success not from money. He is a practice more, and this is a reason Sam sir successful.
But due to help of lots of cameras and lots of social media, by purchasing these things, so he reached to lots of peoples. This also comes from money.
Ask Sam sir. Sam sir is front of us. By purchasing the books, he will be not the happy. But for distributing, to see that students who are smiling, that smile makes more happy, sir. Yes, sir.
So, so as you said, ma'am, why do some people, wealthy people, still unhappy despite their financial resource they have?
Due to their family disputes and lots of expectations from their families, they are not well happy.
It's not just because of money. It's a personal issue of those people's.
If a person who is busy in earn money and he is not give time to her family, friends, siblings, etc., so misunderstandings will be arise in their hearts about him, and they lost her, they lost his. So when he lost her family, so how can he happy?
When someone lost their someone's life, they somewhere they needs counseling, and without money counseling की ज़रूरत होती है जब हम लोग किसी को लॉस्ट कर देते. ओके, when वो उनको नहीं समझा इसलिए मैं उनको ट्रांसलेट कर रही हूँ, ऐसे देखें. When someone lost their anyone, they needs get mental stress. They needs counseling. And without money they can't. We will giving the counseling without money.
This is the rule of the nation.
No one give me the counseling without money. I go to pay 1200 and they will
This is the rule
give
of
me
the
the
universe.
counseling.
Every living organism have to die. So there is no replacement of that particular living
Loved ones,
organism.
if loved ones go, if loved ones go,
finish me first. There is no replacement of your loving ones because death is necessary. All living organism have to destroy. But with our emotions and love, we can replace and less their emotions, because by the money you cannot buy the happiness for them who lost their loving ones. You can buy the happiness for them. Just tell me.
My
No.
brain
Buy emotions,
my
buy
brain
care,
listen.
buy
My brain listen.
friendliness and
My brain listen to
give
your
support.
voice, but my heart is not listening because the lovely ones who was not in there, who is my very close, then I want to forget it and want to move on. I want counseling, and there is no one who giving me the free of cost. I pay the 1200 to the counseling, and I feel relaxed when someone words feels me heal.
If someone words can heal, there is no matter, because he is the qualified person, he is paying. But there are a lot of resources.
lots of people,
You don't
they-
have that guidance. You have to choose your family members, your friends, but you choose a particular
They also
profession.
they
Who
also
want the
suffering.
money?
They also
But you have the
suffering.
money.
They also suffering kinds of like me. Then how can I?
You have the money now, so you go there. But if I don't have the money, I will
can-
not go there. I will go with my friends, my
I
family,
can
my
take the
friends.
responsibility my family, but who can take the responsibility of me?
There are many persons, your siblings, your parents, your partner. You have to
Yes,
choose.
yeah, I
Because
have.
First
But the
you have
mental
to available
stress,
for
the
them.
mental stress, who is the mentally fulfilled, only they can heal me, na. The some words feel, some
Yes,
words
ma'am.
feel me healing.
You said who conduct the counseling. Yes, I have a one person, Sam sir. Please come SS English Academy, and sir give our counseling.
If I
Because
want to come,
and
if I want to
like
come,
a science sir, there
if
are
I
so
want
many
to
people
come-
are there.
if I want to come
They
Monday,
free of cost
if I
of-
want to come Monday from Gabi Nagar, it will cost 60 rupees. 60 rupees. Without money, I can't come here, madam.
And in every area there is a person who is like a Sam sir.
From the Gabi Nagar to Mandai, I walk.
Money cannot buy relationship like friendship.
But without money, we cannot run relationship in longer time.
There are a lot of family which don't have money. Their parents are divorcing for money. They have lots of love, relationship, whatever their parents do. But can you answering my question?
Because of their misunderstanding, not only the money. If they have the understanding of each one, they can survive and they can build a relationship just for their kids, for their happiness, for their mutual understanding, not by the money. Ek minute, let me finish first. If the money was the reason why the divorce is done in the richest persons also.
Without money,
Means-
we are facing the all problems in family.
If we are rich, there is
And
no
also-
divorce in the rich family. No, the richness and poorness not depend on the money for the divorce. This is.
I just want to give the one example. Do you know who is the Gautam Malhotra? Gautam Singhania, sorry. Gautam Singhania is the owner of the Raymond Company,
Yes.
and his son kicked out with his legal property is the 1,000 crore. But he is happy with his wife in the rental house. He is very happy.
He have lots of
Money.
luxurious cars.
Nowadays, his own son kicked out him in his legal.
Few weeks ago, he arranged a luxurious sports cars collection in Thane. Do you visit? He have lots of cars. He
Not
don't-
Gautam Malhotra, his son. Not Gautam Malhotra, his son. There are two differences. Gautam Malhotra is the original owner of the Raymond Company. Yes, he is very much happy with his wife in the rental house. There are some people visited there,
So very
and charity people did
who
some-
pay the rent of his house?
with his basic needs.
For the happiness, just for the need.
Money can provide pleasures, not happiness.
And the winner team is money. Money can buy happiness. They are the winners.